Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize your online business? As we find ourselves on the brink of an advanced technological era, a time where AI is the new norm, we begin to fathom the depths of transformation it promises. We are on the precipice of an AI revolution, a force so transformative that it is redefining the contours of the business landscape. It is akin to being entrusted with an innovative tool or given a novel perspective to view and control our world. In the world of online businesses, the impact of AI is dramatic and far-reaching. It is not merely a game changer, it has emerged as the new game in town. With its potential, it's prompting us to reimagine the possibilities. Envision a scenario where automation takes the helm, dutifully performing tedious tasks, liberating you and your team to focus exclusively on strategic decisions that require human judgment and creativity. Imagine a world where AI chatbots work ceaselessly, providing your customers with round-the-clock support and instantaneous replies. These bots are programmed to understand and respond to customer queries, user behavior and preferences, enhancing the overall customer experience. But that's not all. The power of AI extends beyond customer service into the realm of data analysis. Consider the magnitude of data your business generates and collects each day. Analyzing this colossal amount of data manually is a Herculean task and often not feasible. But with AI algorithms at your disposal, you can sift through mountains of data effortlessly. These algorithms can dissect, understand, interpret, and provide valuable insights and forecasts from the data at a speed no human could match. In this fast-paced world of digital commerce, where competition is fierce and customer expectations are high, your online business can be supercharged by the power of artificial intelligence. It's not just about staying relevant in the digital age, but also about keeping ahead of the curve. By harnessing the power of AI, you can take your online business to new heights. Before you dive into the artificial intelligence universe, it's crucial that you have a remarkable winning idea. This is the critical point where your thrilling journey towards a successful AI business truly commences. The process of identifying a potential AI business idea is a fascinating mixture of art and science, a blend of creativity and logic. It's about gaining a comprehensive understanding of the market dynamics, recognizing the vast opportunities that exist, and skillfully aligning them with your own unique skills, interests, and passions. So let's embark on this journey by taking the first step, understanding the market. This involves keenly watching, analyzing, and interpreting the current trends in the exciting world of AI. Which sectors are showing signs of being ripe for a major disruption? Where can you spot a void, a gap that the power of AI can fill and optimize? These are the critical questions that demand your attention and analysis. Moving forward, let's turn our focus to the vast array of problems that artificial intelligence has the potential to solve. AI shines bright when it comes to automating routine tasks, making accurate predictions, and finding hidden patterns in large, complex data sets. Can you spot a problem, an inefficiency, or a bottleneck in your industry that fits these criteria? A problem that's crying out for an AI-based solution. And now, it's time to reflect inwardly, to gaze into your own interests, skills, and passions. What are those that truly ignite your passion and enthusiasm? What unique skills do you bring to the table that you're exceptionally good at? Remember, an AI business at the end of the day is still a business. It's going to need dedication, commitment, tenacity, hard work, and a versatile skill set that extends beyond just technical knowledge. After all, starting an AI business isn't merely about having a winning idea, it's about how you cultivate that idea, nurture it, and prepare it for the world at large. It's about your vision, your strategy, and your execution. With a strong AI business idea in your arsenal, backed by your passion, skills, and the understanding of the market, you're now ready to start building the future. As we transition from pinpointing your AI business vision to constructing your AI system, planning your business model becomes fundamental. This model is your blueprint that outlines how your firm will conceive, distribute, and harness value. So let's delve deeper. Initiate by defining your unique selling point. What distinctive value will your AI offer? What kind of edge does it have over the market competition? Who are your potential consumers, and how will your AI business serve them better than the existing solutions available? Subsequently, turn your focus to your critical resources and potential partners. What commodities, physical or intellectual, are essential to create your AI system? Is it a necessity to cooperate with other firms or bring on board experts with specific competencies? This step is integral to ensuring the successful operation of your AI system. Next, think about your expense structure and revenue channels. What is your revenue generation strategy? Do you plan to levy a one-time fee, offer subscriptions, or opt for a freemium model? What are your projected expenses? It's imperative to remember that establishing an AI system can be a considerable financial burden, especially when it pertains to data procurement and processing. Lastly, but crucially, your go-to-market scheme cannot be overlooked. What is your plan to endorse your AI solution to your target audience? How can you ensure that the right customers are aware of your product's existence? Your marketing strategy will play a vital role in bringing your AI business to the market. Designing your AI business model is a crucial step in your journey to start an AI business. It will offer you a defined guide for constructing your AI system and launching your business in this competitive landscape. And remember, if you're gaining value from this video, please subscribe and like so you won't miss our forthcoming videos. Building an AI system might seem like a Herculean task, but with the right resources and guidance, it's more attainable than you may initially perceive. Let's embark on this journey together, breaking down the seemingly complex process into manageable steps. The initial step this journey is to select the right AI platform. The market is loaded with numerous platforms, including TensorFlow, NVIDIA AI, and IBM Watson, each with its unique set of advantages and drawbacks. It's paramount to select a platform that not only meets your business objectives, but also matches your technical prowess. If you're a novice in this field, a user-friendly option like IBM Watson could be an ideal starting point. Next on the agenda, you'll need to assemble and process data. It's essential to remember that the effectiveness of your AI system heavily depends on the quality of the data you feed it. You need to amass a comprehensive and representative dataset that aptly portrays the problem you aim to solve. After you've collected the data, the subsequent steps involves cleaning and formatting it in a language your AI system can understand. Now we're poised to train the AI. This stage is where the magic unfurls. Your chosen AI platform will employ algorithms to glean insights from your data, spotting patterns and making predictions. This stage can be time-consuming. Patience is therefore essential. The more data you feed into the system, the more precise your AI system will turn out to be. Once the training phase concludes, it's time to evaluate and fine-tune the AI system. You'll need to subject your AI system to a battery of tests to verify its functionality and the accuracy of it. If it falls short, there is no cause for alarm. This is typical and is part of the iterative process. You'll probably need to revisit and fine-tune the AI system, possibly adjusting the algorithms or giving it more data. It's worth remembering that building an AI system is akin to a marathon, not a sprint. It's a continual process of learning, adjusting and enhancing. So don't let initial setbacks deter you. Persevere, be inquisitive and most importantly, enjoy the process. After your AI system is operational, it's time to sail your business into the dawn of AI superiority. Launching your AI business is an exciting step, but it also requires careful planning. You've spent time building your AI system and now it's time to showcase it. Starting a business begins with a solid plan. It's your blueprint for success, outlining your mission, target demographic, and methods to reach them. It includes financial forecasts and a timeline for achieving your goals. This plan isn't solely for investors, it's a guide for your journey. Next, establish an online presence with a professional website. It's your digital storefront, where potential customers learn about your AI services. Ensure it's user-friendly and clearly explains your AI system's capabilities. Optimize it for search engines to enhance your online visibility. Once your website is operational, focus on marketing. Use diverse channels like social media, email marketing, content marketing, or advertising. The secret lies in understanding your audience. Customize your marketing approaches according to their preferences. Marketing isn't simply about selling, it's about forming relationships with your customers. Be genuine, engaging, and consistently deliver value. Lastly, focus on customer service. Quality service can differentiate your AI business. Equip your team to respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Utilize AI to automate customer support, but ensure a human touch for complex issues. Satisfied customers can become your promoters, bringing in more customers. With your AI business launched, you're on your way to success. You've made the bold step, and the AI world is within your reach. It's a thrilling journey, teeming with challenges and opportunities. So continue learning, innovating, and most importantly, believing in your vision. That's the essence of entrepreneurship. Setting up an AI business might seem like a daunting task, but with careful planning and execution, it's attainable. Every flourishing venture begins with a sound idea. Your first step is to identify a unique AI business concept. This involves finding a problem that AI can address better than traditional methods. After pinpointing your idea, it's time to create your AI system. You'll need to develop or procure suitable algorithms and process the required data. You ensure that the system's learning ability improves over time. Once your system is ready, it's time to launch your business. This includes establishing your digital presence, advertising your product or service, and interacting with customers. Aim is to provide real value and meet genuine needs. In summary, these are the crucial steps to establish your own AI business. Embrace the AI revolution and unlock the potential of your online business.